Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Info. In this video, I will be showing you how to add flip clock to Notion. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, open your browser and search for apption.co. Here, scroll down a little bit and you can see the option flip clock. Click on it. Now, copy the link from here. Go to your Notion page, find a good place to insert your flip clock widget. Paste the link, and you can see three options. Click on the third one, Create Embed. Now, give it some time to load the widget. Resize it accordingly, and voila! The widget is successfully added. If you want to know how to add any of the widgets in my Notion page, I'll link all the video tutorials in the description and the I button. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Tech Info as we upload tech videos regularly.